Hey everyone, it's Rhonda. We're going to make this sign today. It's using just a few things. It costs less than $5. We'll be using this wood sign. This, you can use any that would fit your project, but this came from Family Dollar. It was just a $3 plank, and I really liked the construction of it. This angel ornament was $1.97 at Walmart. Then some paintbrushes, paints, sandpaper, and a glue gun. And also some E6000. We'll go ahead and cut the tags off of everything. The next thing we need to do is get this piece right here off of the ornament. Then we're going to sand this down just a little bit because this has a little bit of a sheen to it. I want to make sure that that doesn't come through. And just take a paper towel. It's just a little bit damp, not much at all, and wipe that down. This gives us a nice clean surface to work on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to base coat this in black. And the reason is the black lettering, I don't want that to show through, so the black paint will just neutralize our background. Okay, we're just going to allow that to dry, and then we'll come back and do some more painting to the background. This would actually look okay here. As it is, it would be pretty. But since I want to go ahead and kind of do a more rustic look, I'm going to do these in a different color. I'm going to go ahead and give the angel wings a second coat. And I'm going to go ahead and lighten up the background. Sorry about that last footage. I guess I had bumped this and I had bumped it off screen. This should be better now. So sorry about that. So what I'm going to do now is take the angel wings and I'm going to add a little bit of distressing to them. This is just a watered down black paint. Okay, I'm just going to allow this to dry. I kind of want to put it here and then put some words here. And I was thinking about for this one putting "You're always with us," just kind of as a memorial to a loved one, whether it be a person, which is what I kind of like about the wings like this. It could be a person or a pet. It could be a female or male. I'm just going to take this off of here to write the words on here. I've written the words on here and you can tell that I'm trying it this way, and I realized there was another way I could do it that would let you see better and my head or hands not be in the way so much. What I'm going to do is go ahead and add a little bit of silver metallic in there just to give it a little bit of highlighting, but kind of still fit along with the colors. You could use a gray if you didn't have a metallic on hand. This is what it's going to look like once I put the angel wings on here. I kind of feel like this looks just a little plain around here. I don't want to complicate it too much by doing a design, but I do think it needs something like a little framework. I'm going to try putting a little bit of the silver. I'm just going to kind of dry brush it around the edges. We just needed a little bit of silver, and the silver will tie in with the silver that I added in the wording there. So now that that's dry, I'm going to go ahead and this actually looks fine the way that it is, but I am going to go ahead and sand this to give it a little bit of a not so perfect appearance. Just a little pointer before you do this, and I did do this, but I was off camera when I wrote everything out. You do want to make sure that your hanger is on the appropriate side, so when you're finished with it, it's going to hang right side up. Okay, so the next thing we'll do is go ahead and find out where we want to have the wings located. I want mine about right here. So I went ahead and marked a few little spots here, so that would help me with a guide. I made sure to mark underneath where the wings are actually going. And then I'll use the glue to go around the edges that are touching. So you'll kind of want to go around and look to see where the wings are touching, which are going to be right in these sections here. You'll want to set something heavy on there after you add the E6000 and the hot glue. We're just going to let that dry. All right, here is the finished sign. It's just precious to me. You know, when we lose someone and we still feel their presence, this is just kind of a sweet reminder and a sweet acknowledgement of that. I thought it turned out really cute. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I would so appreciate that. It would really help me and allow you to see everything that I'm posting. So I will see you all soon.